Good morning, students. Today we are going to start lab manual. Another book of science, that is lab manual. Here you will learn all the experiments which we have already done in our book, in science book. So now let's start experiment number 1. This is not an experiment. This is about you should know all the names of the equipments which are used in laboratory. Okay. So let's start. Experiment number 1 is to study different materials and equipment. Equipment means just like when we go to a kitchen, there are too many utensils and you know the name of all the utensils. This is pan, this is cup, this is anything. All the utensils you know. Just like when you enter in a lab, you should know the names of all the equipments. So our aim is to study different materials and equipment present or used in science lab. What you should have to be needed? The materials, they may be glassware, means utensils or equipments made by glass, magnifying instruments and measuring instruments, plus some chemicals. How to do it? First of all, observe the different materials and equipment kept in the science laboratory. Ask your teacher about its use and work. You can ask, ma'am, what is this and what are their uses? Write your observation on a writing sheet, and what you observe, you all note it down. Draw well-leveled diagram of that utensil, and after completed, you have to check by your subject teacher. First of all, the equipments made by glass, they are called glasswares. So first thing, mostly we use two things in lab: test tube and beaker. They are most easily they are used in chemistry lab, bio lab and physics lab also. So first of all is test tube. It is a tube. The name itself tells us it is a tube like glassware opened at one end and closed at another. Means एक साइड से खुला होता है, दूसरी साइड से बंद. Diameter is just like a size of a finger and the length is 10 centimeter long. Used for conducting chemical reactions occurs in it. It must be clean and dry for use because and after every use you have to wash it and dry it. Second is beaker. It is cylindrical glassware of different size. Cylindrical means गोल होता है and made up of glass and are of different sizes, 100 ml, 250 ml, 500 ml, and it has many purpose. It is used for pouring, sedimentation, filtration, boiling. It is used everywhere. Conical flask. Conical means a shape of triangle. It is a conical shaped glassware used for storing, boiling, transferring liquid from one container to another, and it also has many uses. I will show you all the pictures. Funnel. Funnel, a conical shaped glassware with a stem. Triangle, conical with a stem. It is used to pour the liquid. Mostly it is used in filtration. In a small container like bottles and also in filtration also. Used in pouring, मतलब एक से दूसरे में डालने के में यूज होता है, and also in filtration. Look, First one is test tube. This is test tube. Diameter is like a finger and length is 10 centimeter. This is beaker of 100 ml. It may be 250, it may be 500. This is conical flask, means a shape of triangle, used in mostly in pouring and decantation, etc. This is a funnel, which is used in pouring and filtration. This is measuring cylinder. It is used in large quantity. There is a scale on it. So we can use it for the measurement of volume, and this is also for measurement of volume, but in small quantity. This is called pipette for small quantity, and for larger quantity, measuring cylinder. Next is thermometer. Used in laboratory thermometer. This is hand lens. It may be found in your house also. This is a lens, and this is microscope. A small, very small, we cannot see with our naked eye. We put these things on a slide and then watch. This is microscope and this is slides used in microscope. This is test tube stand. We put test tubes in it because test tubes are very delicate and easily breakable. This is gas burner and this is spirit burner. Spirit burners have spirit or kerosene oil type thing. If gas is not available, then we use a spirit lamp for burning. This is a spatula for test tube holder, and this is dropper. We put drop by drop anything, any chemical. This is tripod stand. It has 3 legs, and this is wire gauge, tar ki jali, which is put on tripod stand, and then we put beaker etc. to boil. And inside the tripod there is a burner or spirit lamp. These are containers, glass containers to keep acids, base and other chemicals etc. Now, one by one, what are these things? For measuring instrument, first measuring cylinder. It is cylindrical glassware of different volume used for measuring liquid, and a scale mark on it. We must see at right angle for correct measurement of the liquid. This is measuring cylinder. Look at this. Okay. Second is pipette for a small measuring instrument. For also the measurement of volume in a smaller quantity. Next is thermometer, used to measuring instrument used for measuring temperature. This is also called boiling thermometer or laboratory thermometer. Next is magnifying instrument, hand lens. You have seen right now. Magnifying glass or magnifying instrument made up of a convex lens and a handle. Microscope, it is a compound microscope, very heavy, used for observing slides, objects, small objects and cell. It must be used with the help of teacher. Other material, test tube stand to keep the test tube. Test tube holder to keep or to hold the test tube, because when we are heating, then we don't use clothes, we use spatula. This is test tube holder. Gas burner or spirit lamp, it is just like your gas burner in your house. Chemicals, there are many chemicals, acid, base, salt and others. They are kept in glassware, container made up of glassware. Tripod stand, triangular frame to keep the beaker or conical flask over it. Wire gauge with a asbestos sheet attached to it. It keeps over the tripod stand to keep beaker flask before heating. Directly we don't heat the beaker or a conical flask. We keep wire gauge and then put beaker and conical flask. Last one is slide. A small rectangular piece of glass slide used to keep small objects and observe it under the microscope. Be careful, use the material carefully because they are mostly all of them are made up of glassware or anything else. Keep the apparatus back after finishing the experiment. Name 2 glassware used in science lab. I told you, test tube and beaker. What is the use of test tube? Test tube used for chemical reaction. Which instrument is used measuring temperature? Thermometer. Which instrument is used to observe very small objects or slide? Microscope. Okay. What is the use of measuring cylinder? To measure liquid volume. Now questions. Test tube is tube-like. Beaker is cylindrical in shape. It is not conical, not tubular and not funnel shaped. Microscope is used to observe small organisms, slides, cells, all of these. All of these is right answer. Funnel is used for filtration, boiling, sedimentation, cooling, for filtration. A glass slide used to study under microscope is small, rectangular, both, none of these. Glass slide is small and rectangular, both. It is small and rectangular. None of these is not. So answer is both. All for this experiment number 1. Thank you for watching.